Hi there. In this video, I'm going to go over exercises to strengthen the back body. So the hamstrings, the glutes, the back extensors, and then finish with 2 stretches, one for the quads and one for the hip flexors. All these exercises are going to be done face down on this chair. The exercises are harder than what they look. You have to hold your head, upper back, and legs in the air. The lighter, the easier version would be if you just did all these exercises on the floor, on a mat. So the first exercise, everything is done face down on the chair. Palms one on top of the other, bring it under your forehead. The first part, the legs will be going straight behind you. Here, try to pay attention that your hips are fully extended, meaning there's no space. You can put your fingers under your hip. So the exercises are not done like this. Try to push your butt, your pubic bone into the chair. For those who have tight hip flexors, this may not be possible. That just means that you need to practice these exercises and stretch your hip flexors more often, more frequently. So the first exercise, find your space where you're comfortable on the chair or on the mat face down, palm one on top of the other, lift the legs up, so engage the back of the legs, then use your quads to straighten your knees, point the feet, and let's do 8 of each exercise. Hang out here, belly to the spine, and you're going to open and close the legs for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either rest or continue with the same set, but heels together, toes apart, and open and close the legs for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rest. Stay hard. The next exercise is same thing, palm one on top of the other, but the knees here will be bent, pubic bone to the chair, belly to the spine, palm one on top of the other, heels together, knees apart, hover the knees off the chair, and then open and close the legs 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rest. Next exercise is swimming. So belly to the spine, lift the legs away from the chair, use the quads to straighten the knees, point the feet, arms out in front, and lift the right arm with left leg, and then left arm with right leg for 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And rest. The next exercise, palm one on top of the other, belly to the spine, knees are bent, heels together, knees apart, and you're going to lift your upper back and your knees off of the ground for 8. Curl back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rest. And then the next exercise is the quad stretch. So grab either your ankle or for a deeper stretch, the top of the foot. With that, you're also stretching the front of the ankle. And the goal here is to bring the heel closer to your butt. You can have the knees wide apart, but eventually try to transition them together. So knees together and then heels to the butt for a deep quad stretch. And then hold this for a count of 10. For 10 deep breaths, or just count to 10. And from here, the hip flexor stretch, lift the knees off the ground. And you can also curl your upper back for a deeper stretch. Here you can also squeeze the shoulder blades together and then open the chest more. And that's it. I find these very hard. Let me know in the comments what you think of these exercises. Thank you. I'll see you back for the next one.